Hello, good day and welcome. Today I'm going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question 54. An agricultural farm engaged casual workers in their farm. The cumulative curve below shows their average earning per hour. Find the median of the curve. A 15.0, B 15.5, C 16.5, D 17.5 and E 18.0. Now this is a cumulative curve. We call this curve the Ogive curve, given showing the what? Showing the earnings, that is the average earning of these workers per hour. Here represent what? The cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency. This is the cumulative frequency, and we can see that what? The total number of farmers is what? Is 50 from this what? Cumulative frequency. The total number of farmers is 50. Now this is the what? Average earning per hour. Now this is the number of workers. Like I said, the maximum number, that is the highest, the number of workers working in the farm is 50. So this is the cumulative what? Frequency, and here on the x-axis represent the average earning. Now this here says 9.5, here have 14.5, 19.5, here 24.5 and here 29.5, meaning that each of these boxes represents what? 0.5. Because if you look at it, 9.5, 10.5, 11.5, 12.5, 13.5 and 14.5, that is 5, and we have 10 boxes here. So 5 divided 10 will give us what? Will give us 0.5. You know, we have 10 boxes here, and 9.5 to 14.5 is 5. So 5 divided by 10 is equal to 0.5, meaning that each of these boxes represents what? 0.5. But now the question asks us to find what? The median of the curve. And for us to find the median of the curve, we have to find the what? The median of the frequency. That is, you know, median simply means what? Half. The middle one. So for us to find the median of this curve, we have to find what? Using the what? Cumulative frequency. And this is what? 50 divided by 2, and that is equal to 25. Now 25 here is not the median, but to find the median we have to what? Use the cumulative frequency by dividing it by 2, which gives us 25. Now to find this median, we are going to trace what? We will trace this 25 on the graph. That is 25 using the what? Using the cumulative frequency side. We'll trace it on the graph, and its corresponding value on the x-axis, which is the average earning, will give us what? The median of the curve. So we'll trace 25 on the cumulative side. On the cumulative side. Now you have 10, 20, 30, meaning that what? Each of these boxes here is what? Is 1. So we have 20 here, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this is 25 on the cumulative side. This point is 25. Now we'll trace this point directly to the what? To the Ogive, where it meets the Ogive. We'll trace the points. Now it meets the Ogive here. Now we're going to trace it what? Downward also. We'll trace it downward also. And when you trace this downward, it will give us this. This is value. Now let's calculate. We have what? 14.5 here, so here will be what? 15, 15.5, 16, and we have 14.5, 15, 15.5, 16 and 16.5. So 16.5 here is the what? Is the value for the what? The median of the curve. 16.5, and that is what? Option C. Remember how I did this? I said what? Using the cumulative frequency, we divided by 2, we got 25. Now tracing 25 from the cumulative frequency to a point where it meets the Ogive, and we trace it downward, and that gives us a point what? On the x-axis, which is the average earning, and that is 16.5. So the median of this curve is equal to 16.5, which is option C. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.